You?
Yep.
Where's Mommy? William, where's Mama? Where are you? William, where's Mama? Where is she? Huh? Where's Mommy? Good boy. Yay! Good job. Good job. How did you get to be face up? How did you get to be face up? Huh? How did you do that? You did it great by yourself. You sure did. You sure did. Should we do it again? Should we try it again? Your tummy time's gonna be a whole new thing, huh? Oh. Oh.
Excitement's getting to him.
Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy, William? Where is she? Can you find Mama? Huh? Do you see Daddy? Do you see Daddy? Where's Mommy? Where are you? What are you doing? Where's Mama? Come on. Oh, are you too tired? Have we rolled over too many times? Have we rolled over too many times? Have we? Oh, are we so tired? Your head is so big. Come on. Where's Mommy? Here we go. No, maybe? Are you gonna do some talking? You're just gonna talk to Mama? Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Yeah. Oh. Huh? Where's Mama? Oh, come on. Where's Mommy? Good boy. Come on. Where are you?
No.
Oh, well, maybe you just couldn't roll over. Ew. You're gonna bubble your head into that, aren't you? Come on. I want to help you, but I know you can do it. Mommy wants to help you. Look at you hold your head up so high. Look at you holding your head up. Yeah. Are you tired? Huh? Are you tired rolling over? Bless you. Did you find your hand?
I guess rolling over is done.
Just keep my sexist fingers too.